Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to the beach. The day has finally come. Why are you scooting away? What?
Gone fishing.
He's hiding. Anyways, it's me and the kids and Chris, and we're gonna go get something to eat first at McDonald's because we just found out that the beach doesn't even open until noon. So
Keto.
we are headed to the Mickey D's and we'll eat inside or whatever, I don't know, and then head there. Hey guys, we have been at the beach for how long?
I don't know, 3.5.
Like 3.5 hours. It's
Day one. I'm starting to get very bored.
No, really warm.
got some Cheeto munching going on. We're getting ready to leave, so we're drying off and just taking a break. We didn't bring any keto foods, so they're making fun of me. Thanks, Mom, for being keto. And we have to leave now because Mom's getting hungry. That's okay. Did I say it's 87? Yeah, it's 87 degrees. It's beautiful. Boy. Beautiful.
Hey guys, hey, it's 8-Bit Villain. We're hanging out at the restaurant, and Nacine is eating chips. Bro.
She's cheating on
Happy birthday, Keto Mama.
Steak, chicken, shrimp, fajitas. No guacamole. I need some guacamole. Hey guys, so I'm just sitting here on the couch and I was looking at my videos I was gonna read the comments from today's video, and I seen a $sign next to my video and I was like, what the heck's that? And so then I was like, I gotta check my email. I checked my email, I didn't have anything. So then I went back to the monetization page, and guess what? I got monetized! Yay! Hey guys, I'm going to GNC because I want to see if they have the birthday cake bang, and I want a birthday cake Quest bar. Now, yesterday was my birthday, but I still want it. Oh, Josh is on camera today. Chris is mad because he's burnt. My face looks... Why does my face look chunky? Is it? I bet you it's because I ate those tortilla chips.
Don't be so lame. You had like 7 chips. Stop.
Yeah, but when people do that, they eat carbs like they can see it in their face.
Oh, please.
I'm serious. And I can see it in my face. My face looks a little bigger.
It does not.
Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's my hair.
You're on drugs. Your hair is gorgeous. Smoked a whole bunch of carbs, bro.
You may have a sunburn, but I think you look really cute right now.
Stop looking at me.
It's cute.
I'm trying to drive here.
Okay, so everybody keeps asking me to do a makeup tutorial, so I'll probably be doing one of those soon. I feel weird about it.
It's so exhausting propping you up all day. What's it, yellow? Look at my face, it's so chunky. I'm tired. Prop me up. Look how ugly my hair looks today.
I just said, even though you are a little sunburned, I think you look super cute right now. And you're like, oh my god, stop.
I want a divorce.
See? I compliment him, and he never accepts it. He gets mad at me for it. I don't know what it is, but like, you just look like you were like working hard and you got like a suntan and like some burn going on, and you just look hot. What can I say? You're hot right now.
Yeah, it's burning up.
You're hot always.
Oh my god, please stop.
Alright guys, we are at a place called Spotted Cow, and they have a no sugar added ice cream here with cashews and no sugar added caramel. And then I have this Quest Hero Bar. I didn't have a cake or anything like that, so this is my birthday stuff. And it's good. That's Josh's. Get out of here. Hey guys, just taking Link for a quick little walk. Chris didn't want to go. He got really sunburned again on his face, so he's kind of feeling tired. But with all of my dinner was completely keto, but yes, I did have about 7 tortilla chips. That seems to be, that's the same place that back in February for Chris's birthday, I had tortilla chips. Hopefully it doesn't take me a whole 2 weeks to get back on track. I did also have some no sugar added ice cream, as you've seen, so not really sure what all is in that, but I was willing to take the consequences for my birthday. So even with all the sunscreen, I still got burnt. Still got burnt on my face, but it has foundation on, so it's hard to see. And I even got burnt a little on my leg, which you can say a little bit, but yep. And my back. I tried.